There are some useful options with regards to pivot tables. Whilst I'm sitting on a pivot table, if I was to go up to Tools, Pivot Table Tools, Analyze, to my far left, you'll see an Options button. If I click the Options button, I can give the pivot table a name, but there are other useful things I can do as well. For example, if I was to go to Display, I might tell the pivot table not to display the field list here on the right in the order of the source data, but instead to sort the field list and the column headings in alphabetical order from A to Z. So if I click this option and go OK, it can sometimes make it easy if I've actually got all the fields sorted in alphabetical order, especially if I have a lot of fields. Another useful option, if we go back to Pivot Table Tools, Analyze, and click the Options button, is under the Data tab. For example, we've discovered the fact that pivot tables don't refresh automatically, so you might find it desirable to tick this option here, which means basically whenever you open the file, it will automatically refresh the data and therefore all the pivot tables. And OK.